Hello, my name is Irina Krutasova and I'm fashion designer. In this video I want to show you how you can take measurements yourself, your body measurements. To know how to do this is very important when you order something online from designers or from web shop. I'm fashion designer and I have a lot of international customers, so I always ask them send me proper measurements. And today I will show you not all measurements I use, but very main measurements. And these measurements help you to choose clothes in web shop or to renting clothes or to know what happened with your body also. You can check it always. So we need ruler, we need measure tape. I use centimeters, but if you work with inches, it will be the same way. And also we need a ribbon, better if it will be elastic ribbon. I have this. So, one more important thing. When you take a measurements, you should stay straight. Use 2 foot to stay straight. Don't stay like this or something like this. Just look straight. Better if you do this in front of the mirror. You always can see what happened in the mirror. Next one. You should use very thin clothes, or better when you do this in underwear. I put on very thin clothes to show you how it works, but you do this in underwear. So also, if you use some specific bra, you should use the same bra when you ordered your piece. For example, if you want to order some dress, you take measurements in this bra and you use this bra with this dress, because it's very different shapes of bra. If it's different shapes of forearm in the bra, it can be more or smaller, and when you get dresses you can put on with other bra and it fits not good. So use the same clothes. Let's start. The first thing we do, we take our elastic, our ribbon, and found our waist. It's nearest place on our waist. Why I tell you use elastic? It's more simple to find this place. It will be always in the same place. You see? So now we can start. Measure number 1. This is your bust. You stay straight, look at the mirror and make a measure tape around your bust. You should stay straight. Then you fix your tape with fingers, and only after this you can watch how many centimeters. For example, here I have 84. Don't do this in this way, it's like a 81, but when I stay straight the size change a lot. So one more thing, take measurements after the meal, because after meal you can change in couple centimeters also. Measure number 2. This is your waist. We found the nearest place on our waist where we have a ribbon. It's here. So I have a 63 centimeter. But why I told you may take a measurements without clothes? Because look, now I try to find my measure without my t-shirt and it will be 60. It's 3 centimeters. But this is very thin sheet, yeah, you know. Third measure, this is your hip. You need to find highest points on your hip, on the side and on the back. And through these highest points, you measure yourself. You can try a little bit sit and feel comfortable when you do this. Yes, you can put one finger in your tape and you take this measure. I have a 90. Measure number 4. This is on the bust. This measure we take under our bust, under the bra, under bra bones. Also, we always stay straight, fix ribbon, then look, 73. Measure number 5. This is high hips. This measure we take 10 centimeters below our waist. Usually I looking for where is my bones here and take a measure here, 10 centimeters. You can measure, let's first 10 centimeters where it will be here, and then you measure this around. You look that your tape always horizontal on the floor. It will be 80. Next measure, number 6. This shoulder to waist on the front. How we can find this place? This point in the middle our shoulders. We put our tape here. Then we make a straight line through our nipple till our waist. Do this in this way. You found our waist and then you look. This is 42. Measure number 7. This is back, shoulder to waist. It will be a little bit difficult to take this measure, but look, also you found this point on the middle of your shoulder. You stay straight and then you find your ribbon on your waist, fix it, and then look, 43. Measure number 8. This is bust height. We found the same point on our shoulder and make a vertical line till our nipple, till here. It's 25 for me. Measure number 9. For this measure we need to have this ruler also. This measure we take from the highest point of this ruler. We stay straight. We fix the ruler at first and then we found the point at our waist here. This is 24 for me. But I have long body. Usually this is much shorter. Measure number 10. This is length our arm, length our sleeve. How we take this measure? We found points on our shoulder. Let's first you found a bone here. Then I take 1 centimeter more from this bone and put our tape here. It's a little bit difficult to take this measurement. Better ask someone to help you, but if you're alone, you can do this also. You make let's first you make your hand straight, then you a little bit turn this tape around your hand, and also don't make your hand straight. Make about 75 degrees or something, or you can make a 90 degrees, this is also okay. And then you fix it with the finger, and then you look here how many centimeters on your wrist. Your wrist is here. This is 63 for me, till here. Next measure, number 11. This is upper arm. This is highest point our arm. We make our tape around our arm and a little bit fix our arm on our body to make this little bit flat, and take this measure. And the last measure I'll show you today, this is measure number 12. This is length from your waist till the floor. This length gives you length of your dress, of your skirt. This is very important when you want to have a long skirt and you want to use some specific shoes, for example with heels, yes? And you should take this measure with the same shoes you want to use with this dress. You fix your ribbon on your waistline. Here you stay straight, and better if you ask someone to help you to tell you how many centimeters you have on the floor. You can fix this ribbon with your foot on the floor, and only then you can watch how many centimeters is it. It can be 92 or 100 or sometimes 120 for high person. So I hope you was successful to take in these measurements. I advise you take these measurements 2 or 3 times to be sure you took this properly. When you see the numbers, the same numbers, doesn't mean you don't make a fault. So I wish you success, and subscribe on my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye!